Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you one-on-one on how to submit Payoneer documents. I'll be taking you on the process of the procedure how you are supposed to submit each document for Payoneer to verify your account and also to enable global payment service. We are submitting document in verification center. Stick with me to the end of the video recording. Lifestyle Tutorials. So we'll go one-on-one to our video. So the first thing is you log in into Payoneer. Second comes to settings. Once we come to settings, we'll come to verification center. So upon reaching the verification center, we'll be able to see that we are supposed to produce line of business verification, provide business details, account verification. So we'll start by submitting one by one. In line of business verification, we are for this Payoneer account, the owner is a person who does freelance job, and he normally gets his clients through Facebook. So it will be appropriate to come in our chat and be able just to pick his Facebook URL and tell Payoneer that this is a person who works. His basically his office is YouTube. So we took a profile picture of this. Then we'll come and be able to provide it here. It says that to approve your request to receive payments, we need to know that about your line of business. So the line of business that I'm going to talk about URL today is just we just submit our Facebook profile, because basically this is their business. They normally get their clients through Facebook. So we say to process your business successfully, we need the following about your business. Provide website URL if your site is not live. Provide a testing environment URL. Alternatively, you can provide URL to your business social media pages. And also the page should include name and clearly demonstrate your relationship to the product. So it tells us provide the website URL. If the site is not live, provide a test environment URL. Alternatively, you may also provide your business social media page. This is the business social media page. This is the owner's profile. This is the page because they say that they normally get this freelancer who normally accesses his clients through his Facebook account inbox. So basically this will be a good platform. It says please confirm your connection above the website. I own it, I co-own it, I operate it, and others. So we'll say that I operate it. Do you have do you have an additional website? So we'll click others and we'll say when it comes do you have additional websites? We'll say no, and we'll be able to submit. At that point, we are seeing that you have received we have received your information, and we let you know as soon as it's ready for use. Please add the additional requirements. Provide business details, account verification. So in providing business details, we'll come and click here. What is the problem? We need to know about your business. Global payment service questionnaire. We'll open the questionnaire and we'll say answer a few questions about your business. Select the category best to describe your goods and services, and you'll be that the services you will be paid for. Payoneer tells you really describe to them what you will be paid for. So we'll say we'll come and select the ones that best suit us. So it is writing and translation services. So what service do you provide? I can say article, blog, translation, web content, and others. I'll say others. Provide a URL to show your online website. This is the website that I will submit. It's still, yeah. What is your connection with the website provided? I'll have to draft down. So it asks me what is your connection with the website. I've clearly explained to them that I'm a freelancer who designs logos. I access my clients via my Facebook account. So my profile or working platform is Facebook. Facebook is my office. I'm also hired by my clients directly via Facebook account. So tell us about your business. Who are your customers and why are they paying you? I'm a logo designer. What is your business? I'm paid for designing logos. Why are your customers paying you? They are paying me to design them logos, different logos. My customers are my friends, my Facebook friends who follow me when I post an update status. Therefore, they order for logo design via Facebook chats. So that is very clear. So we'll be able to go to the next stage. So at that juncture, we'll submit those documents and we'll go to the next step. It says me my verification information. Successfully, we receive information and let you know as soon as the account is ready for use. Addition requirements, it says we need to enter details of the account verification. So in account verification, let us anticipate what we are to be asked. It tells us account verification. What is your problem? To avoid potential delays in accessing future payments, we need a few more details to verify your account. They say that they need a government ID card, and they need what for verification they need 3 documents. They tell me the only thing they can accept is driving license, passport, or national ID. We can say to keep community safe, please provide a copy of the documents verifying your identity. Upload government ID that clearly shows full name and a complete photo. The document will be clear, high resolution, and color copy of the complete uncropped original document with no information obscured by the camera flash. So we'll come here and say that we are going to use a driving license. This is the front page. We'll be able to upload. In my downloads, I've already downloaded the front part. This as you can see is the front part. So we'll upload. It tells me this is the image that is uploading. So after you submit the front part, we'll say we'll just say that it sends. It say we have received the information and we'll let you know as soon as the account is ready for use. I think now we are good to go. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. That is the way to go about when you want to register, when you want to submit verification documents. Thank you for the patience of waiting. In case you need any help one-on-one, I'm there to assist you. In case you need to link PayPal and Payoneer, just reach me out through my official Gmail account, njogukarongo@gmail.com. And in case you need to register for a Payoneer account, just use in the description link, you'll find my link where once you register, you'll sign up and earn $25. Once you complete successfully registering, you'll earn yourself $25 award from Payoneer because of using in my newest video. When you come to my newest video, you'll find here is a link. The link is here. This is the link that when you use it, you'll be able to earn yourself $25. That is the link. Then in my description link, if you want to reach me out, this is my WhatsApp number and my phone number where I'll be able to assist you. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today was how to submit documents to Verification Center to Payoneer for the year verification and authorization. Thank you.